You can fuck me in that salsa.
Alright, stop.
Hey, get off the car.
What the?
Never. I came to ask for license and registration. You guys are good.
Never mind, he said. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, yes, you go pick it up.
You idiot. You idiot.
He's so scared that he dropped one of his fries.
Look at Adrian trying to steal them. Oh, okay.
Say this sandwich busting.
This sandwich buzzing.
You guys want to show everybody your food?
Sheesh.
Doghouse, yeah.
Got this ABC burger. You know, got the grilled onions in here. It's pretty good. I rated a 9 out of 10 burger.
Why isn't it a 10, Steve?
Just don't feel like it. Pack of baddies in there. And Doghouse Grill. They all wanted me, but I was like,
Oh.
bro,
That's
like
how you
three
feel?
three girls asked for my number in there. I was like,
I wasn't looking at no baddies.
Right.
I didn't even notice that there was baddies there.
Cap. Cap.
Guys, if you gotta watch these videos.
Cap.
Yep, first
Cap.
time.
First trip to, I always mess up the name. I always said Bulldog Grill.
Both of them. Doghouse.
Doghouse.
Yeah, my first time.
First time to Doghouse, right here. Couple of newcomers.
when did you go?
We were about to eat inside
Right.
because Steve wanted to see the baddies.
They wanted to see me.
Yeah, just Steve though.
No,
Why?
it's the opposite.
Oh, the episode?
It's no cap.
No cap.
Yeah. So when I say something and you think it's like truthful, you go like, no kizzy.
No kizzy?
No kizzy.
Like, kizzy?
Kizzy with Z's instead of S.
No kizzy with a Z instead of an S?
Like,
Yeah.
no kidding. Like, I'm not
No
kidding.
kissing?
No
No kizzy.
kizzy. It's Kizzy.
Why are you trying to teach them? Like, it isn't. You don't need to teach them.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, I know what it means.
Bro, because when he's hanging out with the homies, it's like you gotta
Hold on.
Always gotta know what to say or what.
when he thinks I'm spitting facts, he could be like, no kizzy. But we didn't get into it.
Steve, what do you think about babies?
Yeah.
You know,
One thing about babies.
And say it louder so the people in the back can hear. Send a message. Send a message. Message. Yeah.
you know, if you have a baby and they just sit around all day doing nothing, like why'd you get the baby in the first place? I'd expect when I have a kid, he helps pay my bills.
I don't know, but elephants are overrated.
Elephants? That's what I'm saying.
How'd it go from babies to elephants?
That's what I've been saying.
So why are they overrated?
Not just overrated, but overweight. Rated. They're fat. You just say.
I think elephant lives matter. Steve, do elephant lives matter to you? No. Coach them all.
Coach them all.
Hey, now that I think about it, the video's probably gonna hear pure air from the.
Oh,
There we go.
Nope.
If the whole thing is like all. Oh, we'll see if I'll put it in on that.
Hanging out with the boys. Woo woo. Watch out.
Everybody flex for the camera, but
As we're eating a bunch of junk food.
you know,
That ain't junk food. That's lots
some
of protein.
good meat. Good protein. I like meat.
Still fatty.
Plus.
You like meat, huh?
Wait.
Pause.
Dad, did you mean to say that?
I just asked him. He like meat.
Nah, but you made it like
I
you
said
like meat, huh?
pause. I said pause. I'm good.
Pause.
That really.
Oh,
Really? Ah, really, dude?
oh! I'm trying to eat. Bro, can I not get a shoelace in my ranch right now?
You're right, so we can put more.
Hopefully we can zoom into someone's butt cheeks whenever we edit this. We'll see. Oh.
Oh. Ah. I just hit myself on the seat though.
Seriously?
He's gonna go get refills. We're about to end this video.
After a drink.
Anybody got anything to say before we go? Alright.
Over here in the food shop.
Hey.
Everybody knows
Hey.
all I do is chop. Chop.
What the?
Chop what? I don't know. Yeah.
This beat go hard.